But these are dressier sweaters.
Yeah. But they're good, you know. But we have on here.
Yeah.
Either bottom.
Yeah.
Cause that cool air is very cozy.
When's yours, Dad?
31.
Huh? Oh, she shouldn't share with that box.
She's being videoed. She knows she's got to put on a show.
Well, I guess it's getting better now. I hope they fit.
Shocking scores I've seen in the first half of a bowl game, maybe a decade or two. So they're taking a look at that left foot. The play should stink. Well, and also there's a question of whether he stepped out of bounds before he came back in to make the catch. That's what I said.
He's going to help now.
Like he kept it in.
He says, I'll take this corner. Don't worry, I won't infringe on your space.
Right? There is where he would have stepped out. And on the catch, it appeared that he did have his foot in, but prior, when he was looking right before the ball arrived, did he step
I was going to say, good work, but now just give it back.
He got that left foot reestablished inside the sideline.
Guess I got to get a different corner. I'll go for the bow.
He did this beautifully. And would reverse the call. Artificial normally as the happens out. Makes a mark reset.
Oh, I can be done anytime. Okay, let's be done.
All over the ball. Good position. This has been an absolute clinic by
They haven't done a very good job on this present, though. There you go, Cougs. Good work.
He's better fit now. Go get him, Abby. Go get it with him. Over there. Mavericks. Look, get up there. No, Jay, come on.
To nothing.
That's worse.
Now, you're right in what you say, but I don't know many who expected any fix to this thing. So it is third.
Yay! Good work, Mammy.
No, you better try him because I don't think you can really turn him if the box is all chewed up.
Are they 10?
Well, it's her box now.
Let's try him on now.
Great University, rising higher. The beacon to the world, shining in the sun. A century of confidence.
I think that's the other foot.
I know.
The shoe, people.
Choosing a college.
The shoes aren't messed up, just the box.
Challenge my mind. A place where I could get my a place where I could make sacrifices and a place where I could hear myself and big enough to handle my ambition. That's when I discovered Nevada.
The SMU fans who were not reacting all vociferously to the touchdown. They look,
Yeah. The other one.